Alright, so let's look at ranks. Okay, so how do you rank a number? Well, in my previous video, why doing why doing small and large together with rows and column, I showed you how you can do ranks. But in this video, there's a formula where we have rank, and under the statistical functions, you can use rank. So how do you actually use rank? Rank we tell you which number is the first or second or to the smallest based on what you want, either ascending order or descending order. So this is rank function, and then if you look at the brief description that we have here, this function is available for compatibility with 207 and earlier version. Return the rank of a number in a list of numbers. It's set relative to other values in the list. Okay, so this is what rank is going to do. So let's rank our revenue. Which revenue give us the highest, and then which one is the least? So what you can do with rank is just type the rank and then specify which number. So I want to say this number, right? This number among the arrays of numbers that I have in this, so which is the ref among all these numbers, what position is this number, right? Okay, then I'm going to fix this to be absolute by pressing F4. Then I need to specify which order do I want it. Is it in ascending order or descending order? So I'm going to start with descending order, right? So what rank is this guy? So this guy is ninth position in all these numbers, so which means that we can drag down or double click to show. Okay, let's just drag down. All right. Okay, so which means this is the biggest number, right? Then the second biggest number is this, right? And then the least is, I think, 27, right? So this is the least. Yeah, that's not the smallest. We have 30, so this is the smallest number that we have there, right? So this rank will help you to see what position a number is taking in an array of other numbers. Okay, so relative to itself, right? So that is what you do with ranks. Thank you guys. So I'll see you in the next video, the next episode. So that's what you do with ranks. So you can use ranks in so many ways. Probably we are working with so we can also use ranks to rank your. So you can use ranks in many things, just like how we use rank in a real life scenario. You can have a set of students with scores, and then you want to give them ranks, and then you want to know the highest takes the take number one, while the least take the least the lowest position or the least number, right? So you can use that to rank your students. You can use rank to do so many things depending on how you want to assign those numbers. Alright guys, so thank you. I will see you in the next video.